G'day guys, Brad Flynn here. Today we're talking about profit. It's the one thing we all think as business owners that we really need, but what is it? What is this thing called profit? And probably just as importantly, what it is not. Because knowing the difference can be a major factor in how your business goes. Now, go back to my metaphor. Your report card for your business is your profit and loss statement. So the bottom of your business card pretty much determines the grade for your business, okay? Now here's the thing. We have a business that has these things called assets. You know, maybe it's machinery, maybe it's a computer program, maybe it's your people. Your people are actually an asset of your business. So what the job of the business is then is we have the marketplace sitting out to the side and they want stuff, whatever it is that we can provide them with. So it's the business's job to take that asset and turn it into income. Income that comes from the marketplace into your business with your products and services. We then need to take away our expenses that it takes to run the business. So, you know, your cost of goods, your materials sold, or all those sorts of things. And what's left over is your profit. Now, here's the trick. Profit's not cash. You'll notice I've separated these things down here. Income into profit. Profit's not cash. You can't eat profit. Okay, it is a theoretical number at the bottom of your profit and loss statement. If you've ever had a situation where you think business is going really well and your accountant says, oh, look, you're doing great, your profits are up, blah, 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 but you got no money in the bank, check out some of my other videos to understand what's going on there. Part of the business is then, how do we turn the profit into cash? And that's a separate argument altogether. That's about getting the money in and making sure, because profit is just a promise. Invoices and all those sorts of things that happen in the profit and loss or paper shuffle. Like invoice says, it's just invoice. It's not actually transferring of money. And this is where the profit and loss statement gets really confusing, the income statement, because it's a series of paper shuffling and it's a reflection of how well you've run your business. So if you're consistently getting good profits, and good can be subjective in a lot of instances, it depends on what sort of business you have. If you're an industry that has a high profit margin, great. Maybe it's, 50%. Maybe it's down as low as 2 or 3%. If you're doing 5% profit consistently, then that's a really good result. So profit is not the amount of money you actually get. Okay, let's be really clear on that. Profit is not the income to a business. Like the name says, it comes in. It's not what you get to keep within your business, okay? You've got to run the business with all the operating expenses, the things that it costs to run your business. Assets, when you buy them, don't go on your profit and loss statement. They go on the balance sheet. It's about what are the costs that you need to run your business from the income that you generate for it, and what's left over is your profit that you then need to turn into cash. So hopefully this is making sense. Subscribe. There's some free resources down below if you want them. Pick them out, help you understand your business. Otherwise, keep watching and I'll keep the tips coming. For now though, enjoy the rest of your day and good luck out there making some more profit.